I have 2 green balls and 3 purple balls. So how many balls do I have altogether? Well, that's going to be 2 green balls plus 3 purple balls is going to be 5 balls altogether. And you see that right over there. There's 5 balls altogether. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what if we did something a little different? Let's start with the 5 balls. So we're going to start with the 5 balls, and you can count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's take away 2. Let's subtract 2 of these balls. So let's take away 1 and 2. Well, then what are we left with? Well, then we are left with 1, 2, 3 balls. We're left with 3 balls. And you might already see a pattern here. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But if you start with 5 and you take away 2, you're going to be left with 3. Look at how this is arranged and look at how this is arranged. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And it works the other way around. If I start with 5, and if I were to take away 3, so if I subtract 1, 2, 3, what am I left with? Well, I'm left with 1, 2. I am left with 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. We see that there, which is another way of saying that 5 minus 2 is 3, or 5 minus 3 is 2. Take a look at this for a little bit. This is a really, really important a pattern or a really important idea to understand in math. If you add 2 numbers and you get, if you add, say, a 2 and a 3, or you add 2 numbers and you get another number, well, if you take that number and you subtract one of these, you're going to get the other number.